Tell me what your name is. Tell me what you like and all your secrets.
Hi guys, welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Smitha. Welcome to my channel. Today we're doing something very smoky, very sultry, very glittery. We'll be using the Tati Beauty Textured Neutrals Volume 1. That's a mouthful, but we will be using that palette to create this beautiful look. So if you're ready, let's begin. But before we apply any eyeshadows, let's get done with the brows. Of course, I'm going to be using my favorite brow pencil. This is precisely my brows from Benefit in the shade 4.5. As always, I'm only going to fill in the sparse areas in my brows to give that natural look.
Something tells me that you might be into talking to a stranger with a tattoo. Baby, I'm one of a kind. There's a reason we're here. There's a vibe in the air that neither you or me could deny. Boy, I see how you stare up and down everywhere. I can tell you're apart.
Next, it's time to apply that base on the lids to even out the skin tone. So I'll be using the Milani concealer in the shade 145 to clean up underneath the brows and also to use it as a primer on my lids. First, let's get done with defining the eyes. So we will need some transition shades and then we can move on to the lid. I'm first going to be using the matte shade in Story very lightly at the crease. And the blending brush that I'm using is a Sigma E40. Next, it's time to deepen the crease further. So I'll need a deeper shade. I think I'm going to go with Poet with a smaller blending brush from ColourPop. I'm going to focus this right at the crease. And then using the larger blending brush, the Sigma E40, once again, I'm going to blend out both the transition shades so there's a smooth transition between the two colors. Now, whenever you go for that intense smoky eyes, I've told you that you need a deep base. So I'm going to be using the Maybelline Eye Studio Gel Liner in black. And I'm going to use this throughout my lid. So I'm going to be saturating my entire lid with this. And then we'll go ahead and soften the edges because we don't want to keep it looking harsh. And for that, I'm going to be using Poet again with the ColourPop blending brush. I'm going to blend out the edges. You can leave it at this. This makes a really nice cocktail look, but I'm going for that extra jazz today. So I need some glitter and I need some black glitter. So using that metallic shade from Memory, I'm going to be applying it directly on top of the gel liner that I used over my lid. And because the gel liner, the base is still tacky, the metallic eyeshadow sticks on it pretty well, which means it'll show pretty good. And I'm really liking the way this looks. Using the metallic shade from Aura, I'm going to highlight my inner corner as well as brow bones. And the brush that I'm using is a small flat shader brush, again from ColourPop. To tightline my waterline, again, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Gel Liner. And then I'm going to make the lower lash line a little bit more thicker before I use the eyeshadows. And then using Poet, I'm going to soften the lower lash line using a small definer brush from Coastal Scents.
Everybody's smoking. Boy, it's getting late, but we keep talking. I can't help but feel like I've been chosen. I'm the one inside your mind.
That's pretty much it, you guys. Now we'll just finish up with some lashes. But before that, I'm going to curl my lashes and apply some mascara. I'm going to be using my favorite Bad Girl Bang mascara from Benefit Cosmetics. And for lashes, I'm going to be using Eden from Carity.
Let's just say, but we
And here's the finished look. So easy to do. Smoky eyes are probably the easiest eye makeup looks, easier than cut creases for sure. But they look so sultry and so beautiful, and they go with every outfit. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you learned something new. Please comment below and let me know if you want to watch more smoky videos like these. And if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. For your convenience, I'm listing all the products that I used in the description box right below this video. You'll also find my social media links, so make sure you're following me on Instagram and Facebook so we can chat more. I love you guys so much and I will see you soon with a brand new video. Bye guys.
Tell me what your name is. Tell me what you like and all your secrets. I just wanna go over the details. Let me inside of your mind. I know I just met you, but something tells me that you might be into talking to a stranger with a tattoo.